As I step into New Zealand's Waitomo caves, I'm immediately captivated by the enchanting glow surrounding me. But this stunning light show comes from tiny glowworms, nature's own little predators. They spin silk threads that hang like delicate fishing lines, luring unsuspecting insects into a sticky trap. It's a beautiful yet eerie reminder of how nature balances wonder and danger. These glowing creatures create a breathtaking spectacle, but beneath that beauty lies a dark reality. It's fascinating how something so lovely can also be so deadly.